I think it's really important for real estate agents to reshift their focus. And the Million Dollar Agent Method is hands down the best avenue to do that. It's different than some other coaching programs. It can really help retrain your brain and your daily activities to focus on these higher income generating activities, real relationships, real people that you may not have thought of before. Just because they're not a past client doesn't mean that they're not a person that you can help later in life when they have a significant life change. Everybody goes through them, and maintaining those relationships are of the utmost importance. Lars and the Million Dollar Agent Method is hands down the best approach to fostering those relationships and helping build a sustainable method. So a little bit about me. My name is Chris Anderson. I live in Fort Collins, Colorado. We serve many agents up and down the Front Range of Colorado. I got into real estate in 2017. We are building a team in Northern Colorado. It's a true family business. My wife Jenna is going to be moving forward, building our own sphere of influence of our friends and family over the past decade plus in order to create a legacy and path moving forward, and then implementing some of these strategies for newer agents that we're going to bring on the team in years to come. The biggest problem we were facing was keeping in touch with past clients who are just continuing to push your business forward, and nurturing those past clients is difficult to actually achieve and systematize, but it's also something that can bubble up over time and you feel internal guilt. Very important to focus on, but it's very easy to neglect at the same time. We found out about Lars via social media and kind of seeing his presence, his confidence, this idea of reshifting focus and energy into the people who know, like, and trust. It's an invaluable mindset that really should be utilized by anybody who wants to create a sustainable business model for their real estate company. We just hosted our first client event for St. Patrick's Day, actually this past Monday. The exercise of going back, building the spreadsheet, looking at not just past clients from real estate transactions, but friends and family over the years. So really compiling that database and getting people from these different aspects of your life and taking sometimes the real estate component out of it and just the relationship part of it, and analyzing what meaningful people are in your life, putting them onto that spreadsheet to create these systems, and then have the touches which are crucial to do. And for having that client event, everybody showed up. It was a great event. Turns out one of our past clients is a Celtic guitar player. Who knew? And ends up, past client comes out to the event, plays live music. So that was, to see that naturally come together, was a beautiful thing. Our coach, did a wonderful job and helped us hash through some of the ideas that we were having as we were going through the program. We did our client appreciation party, and we connected with our coach's hard mail program to get these invitations out. And now we're working together to send our monthly pieces to our sphere of influence every month and take the real estate component out of it and just focus on these relationships with human beings. It's, it's a totally different mindset than maybe most traditional real estate agents have. I've never really thought about the kind of psychological component behind that. It was really refreshing in an industry that can be draining and exhausting and not maybe as fulfilling as it could be. So that shift of mindset, it's a thing that I recommend that all real estate agents do for their sanity, for their peace of mind, and for their longevity of their career.